I want to see how fast it goes on. Originally, it was past the neck. It goes past it. It's good now. How long of your car? What do we need? Oh, no. What's up?